Tube or tubeless? This is the question. In this video we are going to see how to move from a tube system to a tubeless system. What we have to take care and what we have to do. Now we go to dismount everything. So first of all, we have deflated the air inside the tyre in this way. Okay. At this point, we have to push the bead in the middle of the rim, as always, because differently it's very difficult to dismount. So we have to push in this way, you see? Okay. It's something like when you change your tube when you have a puncture. So in this way. Okay. Now you can see it's open the tyre. Now we use the plastic lever in this way. You put, you see, you put in this way and then you pull. And that's it. Okay. Now you take out the tube from the wheel. And here's the job. You take it out, the tube. Check that it's clean, everything. Okay, at this point, we have to put our tubeless valve. You have to put it here, in this way. You see? Block it here. We put our O-ring and we block it. Apply. Okay, now we have to close the tyre, as always, without the tube, obviously. So we put in this way. When you arrive and you have approximately 20-30 centimeters and it starts to be tight, we need to put inside some anti-puncture liquid, because it's important with the tubeless, because if you have a small puncture, the anti-puncture liquid can provide and repair it. It's much more safe. So you can use, there are many types on the market, approximately are all good. Normally, you can put inside, for the rear tire, like in this case, it's a 29-inch, 2.25 tire. You can use 150, 200 cc of liquid. Yeah, for sure. If you put a little more, you will be more safe, but it also become a little heavy. It's your choice. For me, normally I put more because I want to be more safe. So it's your choice. But if you put inside around 200 cc, it's enough. It's to do it, it's very simple. In this way, you put directly here. Okay. Now you leave the liquid to go on the side where it's closed. Now we have closed the tire. We have to inflate the air. We have to take care about the liquid. It's important you put the valve on the top. And now when we go to inflate the air, we have to make a little attention in close all the points, or different, it don't inflate the air. As I told you, you have to take a little attention, and I want to show some tips, some tricks. So we use our normal pump. When you start to inflate the air, it's important you push in this way the tire, and you will see. You see? Important, well, the first time that you inflate, the tire, you can meet a little ice pressure around the two bar. Because so it's better to fix everything, because you will fit the bead on the rim correctly. So now, as you've seen, it's not so difficult. We have transformed our tube system wheel in a tubeless. Yeah, for sure. First of all, you need a tubeless-ready tire and rim. Differently, you can do it. But if you have, it's a good system, the tubeless system, because make you safe. Because in any case, if you also say if you cut the tire, you can put a tube inside, even if you are in the middle of the mountain. So I hope this video will help you in your riding, and hasta luego, compañeros.